Hi, today we are going to create the bump chart in Tableau. So bump chart is just basically a line chart where rank is changes according to the time. So in Tableau it is very easy to create. So in order to create this chart, we will take order date field and I'll drop it onto the column shelf. And then I'll take the profit and drop it onto the row shelf. So here we can see our line chart is ready. So we just have to keep one thing in mind that our sum of profit should be in form of rank. So in for that you just have to click on this profit drop down field which is in the row shelf. After clicking here, go to the quick table calculation and click select rank. So after that I'll take the region field and drop it onto the color shelf. So as you can see, our line chart is ready. So after that, you just have to click on again on the sum of profit field on the row shelf. Click on the drop down and click on compute using, and then click on the region. Select region. So after that, we can see our line chart is ready. So uh, so as we can see here, our sum of profit field in the continuous form. So we just have to convert this into the discrete. So click on the drop down and select discrete. So here you can see in terms of instead of line, it is showing the dot. So for changing that, you just have to click here on the marks card. There is one drop down. Click on the drop down and select the line. So here we can see our bump chart is ready. So let's make it a bit more bigger. So here we can see our bump chart is ready. After selecting any line, as you can see, our best region in the beginning of the 2014, it was on the rank 1, and in 2015, it drops to the rank 2, and then it goes again to rank 1, and so on. So here you can see the rank of each of the region is varies according to the time. So here we can see in the south region was third rank in the beginning of 2014, and then it goes to the fourth rank, and in again on the fourth rank, and by end of the 2017 it was on the third rank. So this is how the rank changes according to the time. So this is how we can create the bump chart in Tableau. Thank you.